Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. This should be, I don't know, review number 3096. This is one I found up in Canada at a grocery store called the Real Canadian Superstore. Kind of like Walmart. It's owned by Loblaws. It's a big freaking grocery store, and they have a lot of instant noodles. It's in Richmond, BC, so huge Asian population there. So these are Canton spicy tomato, and they're from Bangladesh. So we're gonna cook those up today. So let's get to it. These are slightly different. A lot of the times the noodles that are from this region are less soupy and more saucy. At least the liquid that goes along with them, and I'll show you what I mean. So here's the, come on. Well, the first thing in the instructions is to break the noodle block. Jeez. Into quarters. Wow, this thing does not want to bust up. I'm speechless, honestly. Although I am talking a reasonable amount. Sachet. There we go. And up, down. And into the fire. There you go. And then we've got the sachet, of course, and that's going to go in as well. Come on. So yeah, it's 3 minutes instead of the 2 minutes you'll find with things like Maggi. But this is not from India, this is from Bangladesh, which borders India. So, there we are. We'll let it go for the, it's already been in there boiling, so I'll let it go until there's like 15 seconds left on the clock. So what's going on today? Oh, well, in my temporal universe, today is November 6th, which is election day. You already know. I guess I'll find out. What is it? It's December where you're at. Wow, that's so crazy. The last 4 sessions I've done reviews, I've done 3 reviews each time. So that's 12 since, this is Tuesday, since last Thursday. I didn't do any on the weekend. I don't do weekends. So yeah, it's kind of new. I always like to do at least 2, but I've just been putting my nose to the grindstone because I have so many extra noodles right now, and I want to get them all done up. And yeah, so cool. Noodles are piping away over there in the pot. You know, if you entered the Tapatio contest, you should go look at the post for the Tapatio contest, because 2 out of 5 people responded. So you never know, you might have won. I'll make sure they get those noodles right over to you if you won. But at the moment, they're just sitting there unclaimed. So, and I know they'd love to share them with you. So, and blah 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 blah. Yeah, kind of a boring day. Actually, it's kind of worked out really good because I just put my daughter to sleep, and big thing going on right now is they're doing a lot of renovations to the apartment complex. and they're painting the doors today. Well, on the door frame, when you open the door and close it, it's inside the frame, right? So when they paint it, they gotta leave the door open a little bit. And I just put her down. So it's just like perfect. So hopefully by the time that Miles is coming home, everything will be good and done. Can close the door and we'll be smooth sailing. My wife just told me that the doors are going to be yellow. So that's quite a change. That's for sure. So I guess we'll see. 13 seconds remaining and I'm going to call it good. So here we have our noodles. Like so. And as you can see, they literally drank all that liquid for the most part. So that's just kind of the way they make noodles over there. People aren't really into soup. They just want noodles with a little bit of flavor to them and sauce. But here's how they look. And this, again, is spicy tomato flavors. So we'll see if it's spicy and or tastes like tomato, hopefully, and. Nope, not spicy. Tomato-ish. It's like kind of got 1 out of 2. Let's see here. Noodles in bowl. You can kind of see how much liquid there is out of that. Really not all that much. Kind of like just a bowl of noodles with a little bit of sauce. But we'll gussy them up a bit. Like to gussy when at all possible. And hopefully this egg will work with me. Come on, egg. This is from the batch I made yesterday that just did not act very nice. Oh, and it's still being rude. Man. There you go. Go, go, go. Alright, there we are. I think that's about as good as we're gonna get. And I need my handy dandy scissors. Scissors! Crud. Where did I put my scissors? There they are. Huh. That looks rather odd, I will admit. Luckily, what I'll do tomorrow or not tomorrow, because I don't do Wednesdays either, really. Might do a mukbang tomorrow. But I'll make another much better batch. It's like, honestly, for these things, the best way to do it is to cook them up. Here's some spring onion. Get them boiling. Let them boil and hang out for a total of 8 minutes, and then sit on the stove for about 2 hours, and then they're just freaking perfect. So, anyways, yeah, looks good to me. They're not bad. Like I said, they kind of have a tomato-ish flavor to them, so. Alright, well, cool. I hope you enjoyed, and this has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. If you like this, please subscribe, click the notification button, and click like. Here's some other videos for you to check out in the meantime. And, yeah. So, don't go changing. Keep it funky. Alright, sooner.